How to make good sound effects with Stop Motion Studio Pro. First, go in a quiet room. Then find something you want to make the sound with. Record the sound, and using things in real life makes sound effects sound better. Then trim the sound effect to start on time and end on time. You don't want there to be excess background audio by keeping the sound effect too long, so you gotta trim the end as well. Also fade the end because it makes the sound effect end less abruptly and end smoother. You can also adjust the volume of the sound. Do this for all your other sounds. Make sure you trim the sound effect perfectly to sync with your animation, and you can check if it syncs by pressing the yellow play button. Be creative with what you use to make your sound effects. They can end up fitting the animation pretty well. And that's